Hello, welcome to the video. We'll be discussing about two assembly language programs in this short video. The video is being made by group members comprising of me, Ritam Datta, Anay Rajguru, Aditya Pradhan, and Vansh Kumar Kaushik. Before proceeding on to the assembly language programs, Vansh, my friend, will explain to you the setup of how to install DOSBox into your systems.
Now I will show you how to install DOSBox in your system. There are many sites from where you can download DOSBox. One of these sites is shown in this video. You can download DOSBox from this website. Then you have to go to this website and download the exe file from the links given. Then you have to download the zip file and unzip it to the C drive. Then you have to install the software and then write the following three commands. The first command is mount C colon slash 8086, which is used to mount the C drive to a virtual drive, C colon to change the directory, and edit file name .asm to edit into a new file. Now, my friend Ritam Datta will be explaining the first assembly language program.
The first program that we have here determines the factorial of a number. The first few lines is used to reset the code in an 8086 microprocessor to write an assembly language program. The procedure is starting at main proc. Here we are entering the program. The first two lines, move ax comma alpha data and move ds comma ax, is used for resetting the code in the microprocessor. Then we come on to the next line, move al comma 5. Here we are putting the value 5 into the al register. The next line, move cl comma 4. We are initializing the cl register with the value 4. Then move bl comma al. We are copying the contents of al register into the bl register. Then sub bl comma 1. We're decrementing the bl value, which was initially 5, to 4 right now. Then we are entering fac. It is a user defined and we can change the name as per our own requirement. Now the next line, mul bl. Here we are multiplying the value of bl into and al. The value that we obtain here is stored in the al register. Then it is again stored into the bl register. There are two steps of copying. Then there is sub bl comma 1. Here we are decrementing the value b of bl, and it will continue through the statement loop fac until the value of cl it gets initialized to 0. Then the last two lines, move ah comma 4ch and int 21h. These are used for signaling the end of the program. Int 21h is an interrupt that helps us to build this cause. And main endpoint and end main, those are the final few lines which completely show that the program has been finished. The result that we obtain via this program, the factorial of a number, it will be stored in the AL register. Next, we can see through the output how the program actually works. That will be done by my friend Anay.
Now we will see the execution of the assembly language program that we wrote in the last part. So for execution, we first need to write three commands. masm.masmfact.asm. This will create an object file which will convert all the mnemonics in English into binary code. It will also create a list file and a cause reference file. Then we will link the object file using link your filename.obj. This creates three files: a execution file mapping file, and a library file. Last statement is debug your file name .exe. Now press T to execute the statements one by one. Now we initialize the data segment and the base address. We can see that so the first command is move ds comma ix. Here we move the content of the register AX register into the data segment, that is DS. Now press T to execute the next command. In this statement, we are assigning the value 5 to the AL register. Basically, AX register is a 16-bit register which is divided into two 8-bit registers. These registers are AH and AL. AX is generally used for arithmetic or logical instructions in 8086 microprocessor. Now we press T to execute the next command. In this command, we assign the value 4 to the CL register, that is the lower bit of the CX register. Now press T to execute the next command. In this statement, we move the content of AL register to BL register, and a copy of AL is stored in BL. So now press T to execute the next command. Now we are subtracting 1 from the BL register. Press T to execute the next command. Here we are multiplying the content of BL register with the AL register, and the result of this multiplication will be stored in AL. As we can see, after execution of statement, value of AL into BL is stored in AL, that is 14. Now press T to execute the next command. In this statement, we subtract the value 1 from from the content of BL register. Press T to execute the next command. After executing the statement, we see a loop which will run till value of CL register goes to 0, and as value of CL is 4, hence the above two statements will run 4 times. That is multiplication of PL and subtraction of multiplication of PL and subtraction of 1 from the BL register. Press it to execute next command. As we can see, we again encounter multiplication BL, and again the content of BL is multiplied with the content in the AL register, and the value of the multiplication will be stored in the AL register. So we see that after multiplication of the content in BL, that is 03, and AL, that is 14, value of AL becomes 3C. Now to run 6 commands together, we press T6. We, we see that value of AL after the running of 6 statements goes to 78, and that of BL and CL is 01. We again press T, and now see that the value of Px is 0 and that of Ax is 0078. Now if we again press T, value of Cl becomes 0, and as value of Cl becomes 0, we come out of the loop. Now our result of factorial of 5 is stored in the AL register, that is 78. Now to end, we run two statements, move AH, 4C and int 21H. We write quit to fully close output procedure. Now we can see that the desired result is stored in the AL register, which is 78, which is the hexadecimal equivalent of 120, which is equal to the factorial of 5.
The four members in our team are Ane, registration number 19 BCT 0137, Aditya, registration number 19 BCT 0155, Ritam Datta, registration number 19 PCT 0121 and Vansh, registration number 19 PCT 0115. Thank you.